Hello everybody, I'm currently on spring break right now, but I made this video before I left. It's about 1 month after wearing those bad boys right there. But make sure you like the video, all that good stuff. For some reason I'm super energetic in the video, but hope you enjoy though. Like the video, like I said, subscribe, all that good stuff. Got 2 videos over spring break coming out, so hope you enjoy them. Peace. What's up guys, it's Jake here and we're back with a brand new video today. Today guys, I'm going to be telling you about my experience with the HYPERADAPT basketball shoes after 1 month of wearing them. This video is kind of inspired by like the creators Hez Kicks and Mr. Foamer Simpson. They do type of videos like this, and so I kind of got an inspiration from them. I just want to give you all a little update about me wearing them for a month and tell you if they're still worth it or not. I believe this video will be up before the giveaway ends, so if you haven't entered in the giveaway, here's pretty much your last chance. It ends April the 1st. We're giving away a free pair of Air Max 1s in the Just Do It print with the orange colorway. All you have to do is follow me and 4 other creators on YouTube and Instagram. Enter your Instagram name and your shoe size, men's 8 through 13, and then if you win, then you basically are winning like a free $100. So make sure you go enter that down below. Like the video, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Now let's get into the video. Alright guys, so I'm here to tell you today, are the HYPERADAPT 1.0s worth it after 1 month of wearing them? Let me just tell you, these are great casual lifestyle shoes. They match well with all the outfits I wear. The blue jeans have looked great with them so far. Here are my complaints after 1 month of wearing these. First of all, the auto lacing feature is incredible, but sometimes it does have little flaws to it. When I first put on the shoe and I just slip in my toes, put a little weight down, sometimes the shoe begins to auto lace and it kind of like causes problems because I'll be putting in my shoe but only 2 toes are in and I'm like, why are you lacing? And then I'll have to unloosen them and all that. And one time that happened in the morning time when I was getting ready for school and everything, and I woke up my mom because they just started lacing and I had to unlace them and then they did it again. Other than that, the auto lacing feature is perfect. Like, I love it so much. You can just slip them on and then they just automatically contract to your feet. I get asked a lot if the shoe just like can become too tight for you. Here's my answer: no, it can't become too tight for you. It depends on like what you're doing though. If you go all the way up on the app, like if you slide the right all the way up to on the app and it tightens all the way down, then that's a perfect setting for basketball play. But for lifestyle, I'd definitely not raise it all the way up. Another thing is how loud it is. Just listen to this. Like, I'm trying to tighten and untighten my shoes in class sometimes, and it just makes that awful loud noise. And so I can't really do much about it, but it makes that loud noise and it kind of disrupts the class. Not a good thing unless you're trying to flex, you know what I'm saying? Then you want to, you know what I'm saying? Also, another thing is the comfortability. Like, my foot is still breaking in the insole in the shoe, and it's turning out for a great wear. Like, I can wear these all day long and my feet won't get hurt. That's a big plus. Also, these are big head turners. That's pretty cool. Like, the giant 3M swoosh right there, it always gets somebody, you know what I'm saying? Like, they turn around. They're not just like some basic looking shoe with some cool tech on them. They're a cool looking shoe. Would I recommend them for their value? I have to say yes. And here's the reason why, guys. The shoe is going to last you a really long time, and the tech has gotten even better. Like, they're putting out updates on the app, and I just keep on updating the shoe. They're getting better, guys. Like, Nike is really focused on this technology. They're going to improve it more and more every year, and this model is amazing. I would definitely recommend these guys for lifestyle and basketball. I'll give you more updates when I get on the court more often with them, but these are definitely great sneakers. I would definitely recommend for $350. I know that's a hefty price, but they're worth it, trust me. The best thing though is the charging pad. Let me just show you this. You just slap them on there. They begin to like unloose and go back to default settings, and then they're starting to charge already, guys. So definitely a cool feature right there, and it's silent, it's quiet, it's just wireless charging. You don't have to plug anything in, and it's perfect. If you're interested in picking them up, then make sure you check Nike a lot. They're gonna drop some more colorways soon, I'm sure. Thank you guys for watching. If you made it to this far of the video, then make sure you drop the like down below and subscribe down below if you haven't already. But we'll catch you guys in the next one. We're giving away the shoe, by the way, so make sure you enter that as well. So peace out, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.